Okay guys, so I know I don't usually make these type of videos, but I just wanted to show you. I'm sorry for the background noise, but I just wanted to show you this keyboard that I got, and holy does it sound good. And it's cheaper than most of the things here. Like the Corsair K70 RGB, that's 119. This is cheaper and probably sounds better. For the second one, 44.99. I'm in the UK, by the way. Okay? Logitech G213. And I actually have a G213. It's right over here. And it for 44.99, it sounds the answer sounds nice, but it's just I don't know. I've been using it for a while, and okay, so this might be the best budget keyboard of all time. This is 85 pounds, and I'm pretty sure this is like $90, $90 to $100. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. This is a beast. I'm just gonna shut up so you can hear the sound test. Okay. I'll do that one later. The enter feels nice. Backspace feels flimsy, but very good for 85 pounds. Now, firstly, the thingies. These sound really good and feel very good. It's linear, so if you like the keyboard with like bumps on it and it goes like that, because this has a faster reaction time and it's for gaming stuff. Spacebar time, let's go. That genuinely sounds amazing, and it genuinely does sound probably better, I would say, than the Corsair K70. Plus, it's 65%, because you even have the little arrow keys, which is, I don't know why it won't be interesting to have them, but it's there. The spacebar sounds nice. The feel, it's honestly amazing. The numbers, amazing. These type of things, I don't know why I would use them ever, but guys, I'm telling you, this is the best ever keyboard so far. Just like, look, I'm not gonna even press this time. This hard. That probably is amazing. It comes with extra keycaps, spacebar, and some escape keys. Very good. Comes with keycap puller. Very good. And a switch puller. And it's also wireless. So this keyboard is just amazing for 85 pounds. So if you're in the UK, there's 5 left. Go get them while you have time, because this is just amazing. I don't really know how to hold my phone, so you can hear the sound test. Yeah, what if I hold it like this? It should work. So I'm gonna write like a quick thing up here. it just sounds amazing, and I genuinely do wish you get this. It's just an amazing keyboard. It feels amazing. Guys, I'm telling you, this is the best keyboard of all time. The best budget keyboard. That's under £100 or under $100. I have no idea. I'm not American. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this because it's amazing. It's like it's I have no idea, guys. But seriously, if you enjoyed this video, make sure, I'm not gonna even say to make sure to subscribe or like, because you know what, I just wanted to show this video to you guys to just show you this amazing keyboard that you can still get on Amazon. I got this on Amazon, so it's genuinely amazing. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Let me just alright, see you guys.